Hey everyone, my name is Ravi Kurani, and I'm the CEO and founder of Sutro. Today, I just wanted to take you through our v1.58 app release. We have a ton of awesome features out there and a few bugs that we've squashed, and I just kind of wanted to walk you through the work that the amazing engineering team has done. So, in 1.58, premium users will be able to see detailed pH, free chlorine, bromine, and alkalinity values, and also temperature as well. And we've also fixed some bugs, such as issues with like the time zone issues that we were having, and just general minor bug fixes that I'll walk you through in just a second. So let's actually hop over to the bug fixes. On the bug fixes, one of the big issues that we were having in the newest iOS 15 update is that this dashboard screen would get kind of squished. And so this squished text would end up having our users basically exit out of the app and open it back up again. And this should be solved. But if you do see this issue popping up again, do email us at support@mysutro.com. Our customer success team is always looking for comments and any other issues that we're having. We fix this in kind of a real-time basis. So just let us know. Some of the other bugs that we've squashed were around the user info edits. So when you were opening up the user screen where you could type in your name, what would happen? It was that it would actually open up the number keyboard, and what we've done now is switch that to the real keyboard. Also, this kind of calibration loop would have people calibrating their units over and over and over again, and then the app would freeze. We have also fixed this up. And then the last one is this app freezing and squished words, which obviously I just talked you through a second ago. The kind of biggest major release that we have is around readings history. This was a pretty detailed piece of work that our app team had to do with the back end and the front end. And I'll walk you through kind of what this means for our premium users out there. So first of all, what you can see here on the screen is that you get detailed measurements. We can actually highlight each particular measurement for your pH, free chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, and temperature. This next screen over here actually shows that you can zoom in and zoom out in the data that you have, as well as select actual time periods. So you can see actually what was happening at a particular given time. If you want to see how your chemistry changed given rainfall, or if you had a party and you had a really high bather load, that'll also show on this application as well. The third piece on here that has been one of our most requested features is showing a graph for the temperature. So now you can also see what your temperature information is over time. And this last piece over here is the raw values. This little highlight over here that I just showed you will actually pull out the raw values, and this will help you trigger between the moving averages that we have that give you more of a trend to actual raw values, so you can really dig deeper into actually what the graphs and your values were of your water. Again, this feature is only available for premium members. Basic only have the moving averages. Some of the additional features that we've launched as well are detailed notifications. As many of you had noticed in our recent outage that we had with AWS, we were able to communicate a little bit more effectively with you. And the second thing is around the pH calibration. Our product team is getting a lot more efficient at figuring out exactly the data that we have and how to make our readings more accurate. One of the biggest main features of Sutro and why we started this company is around making sure that your water is safe and safe to swim in. And that only comes if you have really good data in the way that you measure your water's chemistry, which is why we continue to do more work on making sure that our pH, free chlorine, bromine, and alkalinity measurements are calibrated to the T, and we can actually tell you what is wrong with your water and how to treat it. Outside of that, that is all we have for this update. Please watch for next time. And again, thank you for owning a Sutro. If you don't have one, go over to mysutro.com and purchase one today. Again, if you have any more comments, any questions, any suggestions, do email them over to us. We're always looking for new ways to improve the product for you. You can email us at support@mysutro.com. Thank you again for listening, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.